Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss the ectopic location of the thyroid tissue. Regarding the development of the thyroid gland develop in between first and second pharyngeal arch at the base of the tongue, a tiny depressed area, the foramen cecum. From this, the thyroglossal diverticula is developed and it descend in front of the hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, tracheal rings and reach its final position. So these are the possible site of ectopic location of thyroid tissue, thyroid cyst or thyroglossal fistula. One thing you have to remember, the all ectopic tissue found at the midline. Sometimes this ectopic tissue may found rectosternally into the superior mediastinum. So this is all about ectopic location of the thyroid tissue.